Today, we're talking about a major economic challenge facing Dubai and the United Arab Emirates, the ongoing war involving Iran and its impact on regional stability and economic growth. Dubai has long been known as one of the safest and most dynamic economic hubs in the Middle East, but recent geopolitical events have tested this reputation. 1. The regional conflict context. Since early 2026, tensions have escalated between Iran, the United States, and Israel. This conflict has spread into the Persian Gulf region, disrupting key transportation routes, affecting airspace, and increasing uncertainty throughout the Middle East economic landscape. The United Arab Emirates, including Dubai, has had to temporarily close its airspace to civilian flights for safety reasons, which has directly affected travel and trade activity. 2. Impact on key economic sectors. Tourism. Dubai's tourism industry is one of its main economic pillars. Millions of visitors usually come each year to enjoy the beaches, luxury hotels, business conferences, and cultural attractions. But with heightened regional tensions, flights have been canceled, tourists are postponing or canceling trips. Reservations at hotels and tours have dropped. Across the wider Middle East, financial analysts estimate that the war has cost the tourism industry hundreds of millions of dollars per day due to these declines in travel and bookings. Aviation. Dubai is known for its world-class airports, including one of the busiest international hubs. The closure of airspace and temporary flight cancellations have reduced passenger numbers and freight traffic. This impacts both airlines and the many industries that depend on reliable air connections. Finance. Dubai has established itself as a global financial center. However, recent events, including reports of Iranian drones near key districts, have created uncertainty among investors. Markets dislike unpredictability, and we've seen dips in regional stock performance tied directly to geopolitical risk. 3. Investment and market confidence. Local stock markets and financial instruments in the UAE have shown increased volatility due to concerns over the conflict. Some investors see opportunity in lower asset prices, while others are choosing to adopt cautious positions. Real estate, another major part of Dubai's economy, faces potential slowdown if uncertainty continues. Historically, rising geopolitical risk causes both domestic and foreign investors to pause major purchases. 4. Oil and trade routes. Although Dubai's economy is now less dependent on oil than in the past, with sectors like real estate, tourism, logistics, and tech driving growth, energy markets still matter. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most critical shipping lanes for oil and gas. When tensions rise there, global energy prices spike and shipping costs increase, affecting both exports and imports across the region. 5. UAE's economic resilience. Despite these headwinds, Dubai and the UAE have a number of economic strengths that help cushion them from shocks. Strong government finances, large sovereign wealth funds, a diversified economy beyond oil, business-friendly policies attracting global companies. Economists generally agree that the UAE is better insulated from economic shocks than many of its neighbors. This doesn't mean Dubai is unaffected, but it does mean that the country has tools to adapt and respond. 6. Social impact and confidence. In addition to economic indicators, the conflict has impacted perceptions. Dubai has long marketed itself as a safe, secure destination for expatriates, tourism, and investment. Recent events, however, have caused some residents and business owners to rethink plans, at least in the short term. This shift in confidence, even temporary, affects consumer behavior, corporate decisions, hiring, and long-term planning. In conclusion, Dubai is facing one of the most significant regional challenges in recent years. The war involving Iran isn't just about geopolitics. It's now affecting real economic activity, travel, trade, and investment. But thanks to diversification, strong financial reserves, and global business links, the UAE has more resilience than many observers expected.